Good afternoon, students. Welcome to today's EVS 1 session, that is part 3 of lesson number 5, Water for Every Household. Large cement or plastic tanks are installed. Installed means they are fit on the roofs of big buildings. Water from these tanks can be piped. Your pipe means supplied to the kitchens, bathrooms, toilets in these buildings. When taps are fitted on the pipes, water can be taken or shut off according to the need. Means we can on and off the tap according to our convenience, so that we must not waste water. This is how water from just one tank can be obtained and supplied to several places in a building at the same time. In the above picture, we can see water distribution in the house. I will explain it in a short. In our house, we are using water in the kitchen. At the same time, you're also using water in the bathroom or in the garden or in the passages outside. Is it so that when we are using water in the kitchen, we have to turn off the tap in the bathroom? No, not at all. When taps are fitted on the pipes, water can be taken or shut off according to the need. This is how water from just one tank can be obtained at several places in a building at the same time. Children, in the last session, that is in part 2, we have also done one activity to show water distribution. So, from one single tank, that is from one bottle, through the pipes, water can be supplied to many different parts. Water supply for a human settlement. Lakes, rivers, reservoirs are our sources of water. Sources means from where we get water. They are the storage of water. They are often at a long distance from our houses. It is difficult to collect water from such distant places. Besides, we cannot be sure that the water can be used as it is for drinking. Just I'll explain it in a short. Lakes, rivers, reservoirs are far away from our homes. So it is not possible to collect water from so far places every day, as water is a basic need of man and man cannot live without water. And secondly, even we are not sure that the water which we are going to collect from these sources of water, it may be pure water and fit for drinking. That is why a large water source is identified. Identified means it is found out near a settlement. Water from it is brought through large pipes to a common place. There, the water is made safe for drinking. This is called purification of water. Arrangements are made to distribute this water all over the town or city. This is called distribution of water. Just I'll explain it in my own words. So, water is brought to a place close to a home in a large pipes and made pure for drinking. Water is thus made available all over the town or city. This is called distribution of water. Thank you. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you all might have enjoyed it.